Hi guys, welcome to another recipe video. I think it's the first one that I did make since about a year ago. So it's kind of nice because it's something that I was missing because at the first, when I did started my YouTube channel, it's something that I wanted to do very badly because, as you might know, I like to eat. So I think it's going to be interesting. This time the new segment, because always I did give you about half the recipe I gave was about barbecue. This time what's going to be interesting about it is that we're going to do recipe that are from our subscribers. So we're going to share with each other the tradition of their cooking, their family cooking. So I think it's going to be interesting. It's a form of trip. We're gonna go around the world to through eating. So I think it's going to be nice. I hope you enjoy, and please guys, if you have a recipe that you want to share with us, and we're going to make it on YouTube and share with all you guys. So please, like always guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're going to try it, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi...